Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the very simple chart. This chart is only with the volume. So what we can see on the chart, besides that everything knows that Bitcoin is of course rallying hard, is that the last all-time high 69,000 tethers was almost hit. We are very close to this level. Let me just place a line here for the all-time high that is being challenged these days. So this is the level on the Zondacrypto. It's roughly around 68,600 600 tethers. Of course, there you go. This is it. So where are we? As you can see, we are there. Now this level is being challenged because the local high was made roughly around 68,420. So it's very close to the all-time high. Let's just dig in a little bit closer to the current situation. So is this a pattern for a double top? Yes, probably, but with this kind of the momentum, and speaking of the momentum, let me just apply the RSI indicator. With this kind of the momentum, it's highly unlikely that we will stop on the previous all-time high, because the market is so bullish. Most likely we are going to break the all-time high even briefly. Nevertheless, 2024 is being still expected to bring us new all-time high on the Bitcoin. Let me just remove the volume because it interferes with my chart. Now it's a little bit better because it's much more clearer. So what are the current technical levels that we should pay attention to? Well, the first one is of course at 63,860. Okay, so that's the technical support, the closest one, and the current intraday technical support. The other level, which is very interesting, is here at the lows of the yesterday candle, 59,258, and then there is one more level here which was tested twice already, 52,890. Right, so those are the support levels, technical support levels. They might not be much overused if the market will be so emotional like it is right now. Nevertheless, it's always something. Now, where is the target? Well, it's obvious. The target is on the $70,000. This is the next target. This is the next level the market is focusing on because it's a round number. So let me just bring it on. 70,000. This is it. So that's exactly where this level is. This is the next target for bulls. If the all-time high is, of course, broken, that's the next immediate target for the bulls. Nevertheless, this is not the last target for the bulls. But how high can the Bitcoin go? I think that after 70,000 tethers, we should set the next levels as a strictly psychological ones, because all of this will be a new all-time highs, because it's completely new territory for the Bitcoin. So the next one after 70,000 should be 80,000, then 90,000, and eventually $100,000. And the $100,000 will act as a big magnet for the price. So it would be very wise to keep an eye on the market, let's say developing around the $100,000 level. But for now, we are still challenging the last all-time high. We are still below the $70,000. The momentum is strong. Let me just apply the moving average. I think that's obvious that the moving average is right now one of the most important indicators on this chart. So 100 and 200 periods moving average. There you go. We are far above this, both two moving averages. So as you can see, the Bitcoin is rallying. Momentum is very strong, extremely overbought. I told you about it. The momentum can stay extremely overbought because if the market is trending very strongly, for the momentum will be strong. It won't go down immediately, or everyone will have to wait for the correction for this to happen. So without any further ado, let me just sum up this current analysis. Targets on the chart: 70,000 is the next target. Market is challenging the all-time high. Next targets should be set as a psychological ones, 80, 90, 100. Technical support levels are on the chart. We are trading away from the moving averages, and the market is still in control of the bulls. So the bulls are in full control of the market. There is no sign of the uptrend to be terminated or completed. The momentum is strong. The momentum is positive. We should expect another higher high and all-time high in 2024 after the pullback or correction is completed. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Take care and bye-bye.